back in the 70s. Caught my first bass on a rattle trap in 1973, I think it was, at Lake Ellyn. And I was just goofing off. I was pretending like I was in Wisconsin, and I was fishing with this big rattle trap. Kind of pretending I was on my own show, actually. And sure enough, this big bass hit Lake Ellyn. This was prior to the 1976 train wreck that killed everything. But oh yeah. And I was right, ladies and gentlemen. I was right. Retrieve rattle traps. You gotta go for it, dude. Then girls. Yeah, baby. It's the way to go, man. Retrieve rattle traps on a windy, sunny day. And this is the kind of thing that you will get on a sporadic retrieve rattle trap. DuPage Angler Live. This is a test broadcast, and it looks like it was a go for launch. Rattle traps. DuPageangler.com. Yep. DuPage Angler rattle traps, man. When it's sunny and windy, go for it. This is Marty Rogers with DuPage Angler. If you want to know what this spot is, sign up. Let support at DuPage Angler know. And maybe you'll even get some free tackle out of the deal. See you there.